In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to reset your Figma zoom so the entire canvas fits perfectly on your screen. This is really helpful when your view gets stuck zoomed in too far, zoomed out too much, or when you can't find your frames after moving around the workspace. Start by opening your Figma file. If your canvas looks too small, too large, or completely off-center, don't worry. Figma has a built-in shortcut to reset everything instantly. All you need to do is press Shift+1 on your keyboard. The moment you do that, Figma will zoom out and automatically resize your view so every frame on your page fits neatly inside your window. This is the fastest way to regain your bearings when you get lost on the canvas. If you only want to focus on selected frames instead of the entire page, you can click on the frame or multiple frames and press Shift+S2. This zooms in just enough to show the selected elements clearly without extra empty space. It's perfect when you're working on a specific section of your project and want an organized, centered view. You can also use the canvas menu if you prefer clicking instead of shortcuts. Go to the top menu, click on View, and then choose Zoom to Fit. This performs the same action as Shift+1, but is helpful if you're working on a device where keyboard shortcuts are different. Once you get into the habit of using these shortcuts, you'll be able to navigate your Figma projects much faster and avoid losing time trying to find where your frames disappeared. It's a simple trick, but it makes a huge difference when working with large or complex design files.